In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Meta Business Manager. In order to do that, first head over to business.facebook.com in order to see right here this site. You can log in or access this by logging through actual Facebook, or you can also log in with your Instagram if those are connected. If you don't have an account yet, proceed to click on this Create New Account option. So you can also log in using a Manage Meta account if that option is available to you and you have it. So on my case, let's log in using Facebook. Once you're there, you should be able to see right here your Meta Business Suite. Once you're in there, you just need to change your display language. So onto this, you can just head over to this part right here and then head over to the settings option. So it should be able to show you right here this. So what you can do next is you just click onto this accounts and you can find pages. You can see right here the page that you currently have. We have in here this assignments as well as the likes right here. So what we can do is we can click onto this option to view on Facebook, and then this will open in here this new tab. You can see it right here. So what you can do is you can head over and edit its settings. You can click on these three dots right here, or also click on your name as well and clicking on settings and privacy and changing right here the language options. You can change the language and region associated to this, or you can also click on the settings right here in order to change it natively. Into this part, what you can do is you can just look for the language and region option and then choose right here the languages that you want to translate it. Click on the account language and just change it to whoever you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out with everything you need with Meta Business Manager. Thank you so much for watching.